Guys, this is the Cucumber Melon Sangria, and I'm here with Courtney. Go ahead, Court. Tell them what this is.
All right, so this is a fresh, delicious sangria. You're gonna start with some cucumber slices in your pitcher there, and follow that with some honeydew melon balls. Delicious slices, spheres. Now top that off with some mint leaves and some simple syrup. Pour in that sweetness. Now you wanna add some gin. Okay, add a little more. There you go, there you go. And top that off with some white wine. There you go. Look it, now we have sangria, the wine's there. Okay.
And that's a Moscato, that's sweet, so I like that.
There we go, some sweet wine. And now you add some bubbles on top, a little soda water, and give it a really good stir. Go ahead, mix it all up, let all those little balls and slices have a party in there, and pour it into your glass. There you go, that looks delicious. Take a nice sip.
You gotta try, and there you have it. Try that.
And there you have it. Stay tipsy.